In this video, the X-maxx does a backflip, the Rustler crashes, the TRX4 gets wet, and we try a burnout. Do you want to get rich quick? Then buy a lottery ticket and hope for the best. If you want to get rich for sure, you have to provide either a product or service of value. I've spent the past 10 years of my life trying many different ways of making money online. And by far, the quickest and easiest way that I have found is by selling on eBay. I make over $100,000 every single year by selling simple items like this. And I've helped hundreds of people make thousands of dollars every single month. So if you want more money so you can buy more toys, buy a nice house, or quit that dreaded 9 till 5, then click the link down below and I'll show you how.
Hi there.
That might be. What's he doing?
I hear bass.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, it's a bird.
Oh, I'm going to go for it again.
Yeah, it does go quite high.
Watch out, Mitch.
Stand there, mate. You're catching your head.
Catch your head.
That's crazy.
That's what Vinny said. Catch the X-maxx.
That would have got you as well.
Are people coming? No.
Oh, that didn't work.
You got two.
There we go. There we
Two
go.
X-maxes going up the trees, one beside you.
Go. Oh. Oh, he's broke his new roll cage. People in the comments said they liked this cage. Well, I don't know, is it as strong as you first thought?
No.
Oh! Hey, Steve, just aired it out. I missed it on camera, but what happened?
Bearings came up. I think it's the bearings. Hub! No, it's the hub. It's actually ripped the hub out.
Uh-oh.
The bearings are still there and they're
It was
all
quite
right.
a good job, but I missed it on the camera.
Yeah.
It's on there.
Maybe.
Steve? Steve's one? I'd say Steve's one first because the size of it.
I wonder if we can get them all on there.
Could you imagine doing that with them all on?
Ready?
Yeah, Whoa. And the flowers are still standing.
Oh! Oh!
That would have been a wipe.
You what there, dude?
I got a mouthful of dust and stones and oh my god.
Oh!
Now, if anything,
Hey, nearly a double.
Knock himself out.
Hey!
is that comfy? It had to hit something, didn't it?
Yeah, the lower arm probably.
What happened?
It fell over. You're silly.
What happened?
I've never happened to it. It's okay.
Right in the back.
Oh!
That's a really good catch.
Ow! Ow!
I put that in, it still counted 4.
That actually hurt. That was a flat out crash right into him. I got protected by lipo. Oh!
Lipo shield.
That's gonna bruise.
Yes.
Russell just laughed it off.
Tried yours on 4 yet, have you?
No, I haven't. Have you got a 4? Have you got?
Oh yes.
Oh.
That's Danes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's that? Do that again. Yeah. Why is it pissing? Is that coming out of the motor?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look. Hey. Not even bothered, did he?